This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, 9 strategically placed speakers, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a multi-function display, cruise control, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front fog lights, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Hudson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2020 Crestview Drive in Hudson.